to my demo session. So in today's video, I will give you guys a demo on how to create a link and track your stats using Bitly. So without wasting any time, let's get started up with our demo session. These are some important bullet points that we will going to discuss in this demo session. So first thing first, what is Bitly? Why Bitly is so important? How to create short links? How can we analyze organic traffic using Bitly? What is Bitly? Bitly is a URL shortener that we use commonly while inserting the URL in social media posts. One can use Bitly to manage the long form links by turning them into a short and easy to click redirecting link. Why Bitly is so important? It does branding and customized links, track real-time click data, learn your top refers and location. Last but not the least, it is easy to share. Why different businesses use Bitly? Influencer marketing can be done by using Bitly. Offline campaigns can be run by using Bitly. Customer service and most importantly, digital marketing can be done by using Bitly. So let's dive deep into how to shorten your URL and track your organic traffic. This is our dashboard. First thing first, on the top of the right hand side, by clicking on a create, a pop-up will appear in front of us, just like this. Move to another tab, copy the URL. I am here taking the URL of a blog named as Grow Your Business with Effective Email Marketing Services. Paste it over here. By just one click, we are good to go. We all like to be known by our names, aren't we? Let's give this URL a name too. You can add any title according to your choice. After adding title, just click on the save button. Here we can see no views. We can see all the insights and the numbers of click. So let's check now. Click here and copy the URL. Paste it on the another tab. And this will directly take us to our desired blog. And here we have. Now go back to your previous screen, refresh it once, and we can see here a view. On this platform, we can also analyze and track the potential traffic across the globe. So in this video, we have learned about how we can short a long URL into a short one. And you can use it for social media campaigns and on your website, which allows you to see from where the traffic is coming from. Thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, then do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, then please note down in the comment section below.